Hi, I'm meteorologist Jen Daniel here with the winter storm briefing. So this storm is actually coming in two rounds. The first round we're seeing today, which is rain and freezing rain. Then we'll start to see a break in the precip tonight, this afternoon into this evening, followed by a cold front. Then it's round two. That is Tuesday early morning. We're talking about just shortly after midnight into Wednesday early morning. That'll be our heaviest precip. It'll be mostly a wintry mix for much of the area. And then the precip tapers into a rain, freezing rain mix once again Wednesday morning. We should see most of that precip out of here by Wednesday around the noon hour. Most likely snow totals, again, are going to be, the highest snow totals are going to be across the northwest, and that's where we're going to see mostly snow. The wintry mix is going to be across most of this area here. So we're going to be taking a real close look at those snow totals, and we'll have a better update for you in the afternoon video briefing. Winter storm watch is out for that northwest corridor where we do expect more snow. Again, beginning late tonight, more after that midnight hour in that area where the winter storm watch is, accumulating snow, and travel is expected to become very hazardous. That is in effect from 9 o'clock this evening until 6 a.m. Wednesday. So we do want you to be prepared for this winter storm. If you need to get out and travel, check drivetexas.org and always check back with us. We are at NWS Lubbock on Twitter. Please check back for updates. Thanks for watching.